Next, we have Ananya from Team Code for Life, and I think she's up here with us, so she would like to carry on with the presentation.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Firstly, I would like to thank the organizers of the hackathon for organizing such a wonderful hackathon and the judges for selecting me and giving me this wonderful opportunity. So I'll start off with my presentation. Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible?
Not yet. Not
Can
yet.
now?
Yeah, now it's visible.
Yeah, great. So, firstly, I would like to start with a story. I mean, it's a real life story that happened to me, the inspiration behind this project. So, when I was in class 8, one of my friends were absent for a long time. So, I called her up and asked, "What's the issue? Why are you absent?" So, she told me a shocking news that her mother had just died. So, I asked her what happened to her. She said that she needed a kidney transplant immediately, and unfortunately, she did not get a proper donor on time. And that just shook me. And since then, I realized the actual importance of organ donation, blood donation, etc. And hence, that was the inspiration behind this project. So, I named my project Donation and Vaccine. The services offered are blood and plasma donation, organ donation, health info chatbot, and COVID 19 vaccine program registration. So it's a web based app. So the person can log in and then they can do their jobs. I mean, I'll give you the live demonstration. So this is a health info chatbot, COVID 19 vaccine registration. So the target users are frontline COVID warriors, the people above the age of 60, the people who are in need of any organ or blood, the people who are willing to donate, and the decision makers of the COVID 19 vaccine program. So we will give them a database which will help them organize the program very well. So these are the technologies that I have used. The value proposition. So the donor and the recipient will be getting a single platform to contact each other. There will be live update of database, hence easier to find a donor or a recipient. And through the health chatbot, they'll be able to ask out doubts or kind of medications about vaccine, anything. Value proposition of the vaccine registration. So the government has a database, voter list and census, but those do have some faulty things like false voters or things. So resource allocation may be incomplete or improper. Hence, our database will be very effective in this case. So the limitations are that I tried to do the backend, but I tried to learn PHP and MySQL in few hours during the hackathon. And I actually made login pages and registration pages for the database, but unfortunately it wasn't working well, so I had to omit it. And second is I wanted to make the whole website responsive, but due to time crunch, I could make only parts of it responsive. So I'm a biology student. I never had CS in my school life. So I'm absolutely new to everything. I'm learning and I tried my best to make this project alive. So now I'll go to the live demonstration of the project. So yes. So here I have basically so there's this home page, and in the home page we come down to the services offered, the web-based app. The is it visible by the way? Can anyone please respond if it's visible? Uh, is it visible? Can anyone please respond? So,
Yes, it's visible. Sorry,
okay.
it's visible.
So basically here I have tried to make a slider using JavaScript. So here it is showing the services offered, etc., the details. So I go to the donate page where the person who wants to donate will be registering themselves. So here is the page where they'll be putting their name and all. So in the background, I've made a gradient color change effect to make it look good. So he fills out the details. Here is a small thank you note for the donor as well. So when he clicks on submit, he gets redirected to the home page. So the person who needs an organ now goes to this page. And here I have given the hover effects on the images. I have tried to demonstrate as much skill as possible along with making a good, useful website. So when the person clicks on the button, they are redirected to this page where the database or the information of the lung donors, the person clicks on lungs, so the database of the lung donors are present in this page. So he can contact through this page to the person. So this is for the heart donors. So here also I put a slider. So the information is given here in the table. The location, hospital, everything is given. The contact details. This is for liver. Then comes kidney. My project is a bit detailed and a bit long, and such a project requires such hard work, I feel. So here for the pancreas donors, the details of the pancreas donors. Here is for the intestine donors, the database. So the person who needs an intestine or needs an eye or cornea can go to this page and have a look at the database and the people who are donating. Bone and ligament, bone marrow transplant is very important. Then we have skin donation. A person who may have got a severe burn or maybe acid attack. So for those people, skin donation is very important. So here is the blood donation section where the person clicks on the blood group they need and they can find the blood group in this page. So here's a gallery kind of a thing. And here is the database for the different blood groups. The person's name, contact, location, hospital, and affiliation, all these are given. After that, we move on to the health info chatbot. So here I have put a video demonstrating how blood donation is so important. And along with that, there's a AI, a chatbot made using Google Dialogflow. So when the person says that he wants a kidney, so the person starts with a hi, and the chatbot replies, "Good day, what can I do for you?" So then the person writes, "I want to donate kidney." And the chatbot replies, "I'm so proud of you that you are voluntarily donating. Humanity is blessed to have a noble soul like you. Please register yourself, log in, go to a donate option." So all the steps are given properly in one message so the person does not get confused at all. So then the person writes that he needs a kidney or an organ, and the person gets the reply and how he has to go through the website and attain that. Then he wants to know about the medications required for organ transplant or after organ transplant. So in that case also, the person asks and the chatbot will reply. The chatbot replies with what kind of medication is required, what is the reason. The person has to give that, and they'll be connected with some doctor and experts. So then the person asks that I'm 50, can I register for the vaccination program? So the chatbot gives all the information that according to the government rules, guidelines, the COVID warriors will be first getting the vaccines, and after that, the elderly people above age of 50 or 60. So accordingly, the steps are also given how to go through the website and register. So now we go to the COVID-19 vaccine registration page. So there are two types of registration for the time being as per the government rules. So frontline COVID warriors, they register themselves, put their name, address, location, everything, occupation, and we also ask for occupation proof and some other details. And then he clicks on submit. Then the elderly people, the senior citizens, for them also the registration page is there. They register themselves, give their gender, age proof, and then submit. So this is basically the whole demonstration. So this is my presentation and my creation for this hackathon. I hope you like it. Thank you.